Slidell foot pursuit for Dillards. White female, gray top, blue jeans, brown hair.
What the hell? What are we doing? She took out quick, did she? She does not look like the normal suspectory. I promise you. What are we doing? Playing duck, duck, goose? You know, if I could run in circles around. Officer, you better catch this woman. Don't get outworked by this woman. The last police officer, the last video we dropped, the police officer wasn't taking no full, no nonsense recoppery. You guys are up right now. Don't let this lady outrun you or outwork you, sir. Catch this woman. Okay? Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Fujiga. We are back with another banger reaction video. Listen, I ain't gonna hold you guys up. Shout out to everybody that's sending me emails for videos to do. Shout out to everybody that's sending me DMs for videos to do. If you want to send a video to me via Instagram, Fujiga_ENT. If you want to send it to the email, Fujiga@gmail.com. Shoot me the links. We're gonna tap in when we tap in. And we see we got something here that I get sent every day. I'm so behind. That's why we're knocking them down. Today we about to get into a video. What is it? Good Samaritan helps Slidell police catch fleeing shoplifters. What? Okay. You know what I'm saying? Before we get into this crazy video, I don't know if it's crazy or not, but it's a Good Samaritan, going Good Samaritan type. Let's check on the Meeprees. How you doing today? As of when you watch this video, tap down in comment section 1 through 10. How you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and spiritually? Tap down, let us know. I know we all going through some things. I know it for a fact. When I do the lives, I hear it, and it's just like, it sucks, because I just want to give everybody a hug. You know what I'm saying? Say it's going to be okay. But, you know, it's life. Shit happens. We got to go through it to get through it. But at least hope we can get some uplifting spirits and positive vibes and positive energy while we're going through this shit. Just make it a whole lot easier. And a laugh for you is going to really make it easy. You try to forget what's going on for a little minute. And that's how we like it over here. So, without further ado, let's get the video to 1,000 likes. We got a giveaway going down on November 21st. Make sure you tap in. Tell a friend, unless you want to win and be the only to win. Hello. See what's going on with the Good Samaritan, though.
How you doing, ma'am?
I didn't take anything.
Okay. Come on, walk with me. All right?
I didn't take anything.
Off the rip, she said I didn't take nothing. You guilty.
I mean,
come on and walk.
Guilty.
Foot from Dillards, Slidell foot pursuit for Dillards. White female, gray top, blue jeans, brown hair.
What the hell? What are we doing? She took out quick, did she? She does not look like the normal suspectory. I promise you. What are we doing? Playing duck, duck, goose? You know, if I could run in circles around. Officer, you better catch this woman. Don't get outworked by this woman. The last police officer, the last video we dropped, the police officer wasn't taking no full, no nonsense recoppery. You guys are up right now. Don't let this lady outrun you or outwork you, sir. Catch this woman. Okay?
Towards Old Navy.
Ring around the rosy tight.
What? Silver Buick. Get out. Stop. Stop the vehicle. Stop.
Oh, she got in the car.
HBH 031, Mississippi. HBH 031, Mississippi. Silver Buick going towards Marshall's.
Good Samaritan. Did she just say you want to hop in? Hold on.
Follow.
No, she didn't. No, she didn't. Hold on.
Silver Buick going towards Marshall's.
You want to hop in?
Follow. Go.
It was a white. Was it this one?
They went left.
She trying to remember the license plate number and all that.
Oh, wait.
I don't know where they went.
They're right there. They're going around the back.
Go and give them there.
Lady, go. Lady,
They're
go.
turning right towards, on Town Center, towards the circle. I'm in a vehicle with a civilian. I'm going to try to keep sight of him. Just go. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Just
we were running and I was trying to.
Going out the
She's been waiting for this her whole entire life. We all seen the movies. Lady, listen, she better than, she got the balls I wish I had. Even though I got some, but I wish I had the one she just had. Because I would never pull up to a police officer in a pursuit and say, hey, you want to jump in? Oh my God. If I had the balls to do that. Hey, you want to jump in? Listen, I'm breaking every law in the bookery. I got a copper with me, okay? I got to get to him somewhere and chase these people. I'm running every red light. I'm ramming trucks. I'm doing pit maneuvers. I'm doing it all. I got a cop with me. It's okay. Lady, you still biting laws, holding on. He trying to. What are we doing? The chance of a lifetime, and you're blowing it, okay? Get your life together. You pulled up on him. Let's go. Shit, I'm looking for a pursuit. Per usual.
Turned right.
Hello.
Onto Town Center towards the circle. Trying to see if I can keep sight of them somewhere.
Lady, you're on like fucking
towards,
10.
They're around the circle towards Town Center.
You see him?
Yeah. They're going around the circle.
All right.
They went around the circle already. They're up ahead in traffic.
I'm at Primo and 10.
It's a white male driver, bearded. White female, brown hair, gray shirt, blue jeans.
Lady,
build.
if you don't speed
I'm at
the
Primo,
pursuit up,
Town
it ain't a
Center,
pursuit right now.
Turn off. Which way?
I'm going
Get in this middle lane. Trying to see if I can spot it in the traffic circle.
Is that them right there?
It's right in front of a gray Dodge. It's in front of a black. It's in front of a black Dodge in the right lane, getting ready to turn towards the interstate. Behind a silver SUV in front of a black Dodge pickup.
She keeps trying to read the plates and everything.
We got
She
it.
want to be a part of it so bad.
Okay, there you go, sir. Thank you for your service.
Oh, fucking Jessica, thank you for your service. Oh,
Get out of the vehicle! Shut it off! Shut the
oh they got him.
off! Stop! Do not move! Put your hands up! Get out!
Ooh, they're not playing no game, no nonsense.
I didn't do nothing.
You didn't do
My
nothing.
car's rolling, sir. I didn't do anything. Sir, what did I do?
All right, 2 in custody. Code 4, everybody back it down.
What did I do?
Roll over. Hey, look at me. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in
You
court
look
of
like
law.
a child.
You have the right to an attorney, have one present with you while you any question. You cannot a 411 be appointed to represent you for any question. So at any time to exercise your right, not answer any question, make any statement. Do you understand your rights? You know exactly why. Get up. We're not grabbing nothing.
Hello, I like him. No nonsense, man. You know what you did. Get your ones. You're not grabbing nothing. Hello. That's how we like him.
He has not been patted down yet. Get in the car.
Talking about what I do, like you just run off from the policers.
Your date of birth there.
I'm right here. I didn't take anything. I didn't take anything, sir.
Ooh, he's still really rough with her, ain't he? Don't care.
I'm not taking anything. I didn't take anything.
That's it? Ah! How you gonna get me with the cliffhanger type? Police officer would have to arrest me afterwards, after I did the police chasery, because I would have broke every law. I would have been a real copper in that situation, okay? Sir, get out. For what? I'm helping you out. You broke every rule. I didn't ask you for all of that, okay? Sir, you jumped in my vehicle. I said you want to. You said yes. They would have to arrest me. I'm going full Dukes of Hazzard. You hear me? Full Dukes of Hazzard on them. I'm going to take this chance of a lifetime to be a part of cops, to be on the police body cam. Oh, wait, I'm a hero. Thank you for your service. She have to change. She gonna go home. Listen, she about to give her husband some good loving. Then her husband about to be like, "You did what, honey? Shut up. You lying." See the shit on YouTube, baby. What? You did that? Ah, come here. I'm about to give it to you raw. Tell me down in the comment section, man. Would you have taken this opportunity? Would you have had the ballseries to pull up on a police officer and say, "Hey, do you want to jump in and do this?" I promise you, I would have been just looking like the copper got burnt. I wouldn't have had the balls. I'm admitting 1,000% I wouldn't have had the balls to do it. I wish I would have, but I know for a fact I wouldn't have. It's not my fight. You know what I'm saying? I would have wanted to, but I wouldn't have had the balls to ask them. Would you have, though? Tap in the comment section. Let me know. I got to know how many of my people would have took that chancery to be a ride along in your own vehicle. I would have wrecked my car so bad they would have given me a new one. Ooh, I need that new BMW right there. Yeah, it's a police chase. Yeah, but the city gonna pay for it. I don't know. I know I'm being too dumb, but I'm being honest. Tell me down in the comment section. Let me know what you would do. Short video. Didn't like the way it ended. Not the normal looking. Not the normal looking person that you would think stealing. As soon as he rolled up, I didn't take nothing. Guilty already. The suspectory don't look the part. She didn't look it. He might have. She like soccer mom. Don't judge the book by its cover. That's what they say, okay? Remember that. Next time you try to judge that book, motherfucker don't look.